Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will be showing you how to fix creator program unable to join. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is go to web browser and type TikTok 1 minute growth program. Now scroll down and click on this. Make sure to check VPN. After that, tap on join program. But if you get this error, then there's another way to fix that as well. I will leave a link in the description. Just click on it and you will land on this page. After that, just simply verify it and it will take you about 2 days to be in creators program. So that's how you join creators program. That's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.